CUCET is a national-level common entrance test for admission into various undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD courses. It is jointly conducted by 10 central universities of India along with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar School of Economics. Every year, the Central University of Rajasthan invites applications from eligible students for CUCET exam. Today, we will talk about CUCET exam for admission into various undergraduate courses. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the CUCET exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for CUCET exam. The nationality of the candidate must be Indian. Candidates must have passed class 12 or any other equivalent exam with physics, chemistry, mathematics or biology with minimum 50% marks. For scheduled caste or scheduled tribe candidates, minimum qualifying marks in higher secondary school are 45%. Now we will discuss the exam pattern for CUCET exam. The exam will be conducted in offline mode. The written test will be conducted for 100 marks with allotted time of 2 hours. Questions will be asked in two sections, Section 1 and Section 2. Section 1 will consist of 25 questions on general knowledge, mathematical aptitude, English language and analytical skills. Section 2 will be based on the subjective knowledge containing 75 questions in total. The questions will be of multiple choice and contain negative marking for every wrong attempt. Each question carry 1 mark and 1/4 of mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. The questions will be asked in English language only. Let us talk about a few tips and tricks for the CUCET exam. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. As the subjective questions of particular domain contain more weightage in marks, so prepare well for that. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper editorial regularly to improve your English. Use Prep Guru app of Youth for Work for the preparation of written test.